Now I have two photos, and this is the one with my face in it. And here is the second photo with many faces. And now I want to replace the face of this gangster boss with my face. And now I'll show you how to do it. It's very easy, just with one click. First, click the link in the video description, and it will take you to an AI tool called FaceSwapper. This AI offers many features, but today we will only focus on the multiple face swapper feature. After clicking, this is the interface of the multiple face swapper feature. To start using this feature, simply log in if you already have an account or create a new one if you don't. Each day, you'll receive 10 free credits, and using this feature will cost 2 credits per swap. Now let's get started. First, upload the photo with your face. Next, upload the photo with multiple faces. As you can see, the AI has scanned all the faces in this image and displayed them here. You can choose which face you want to swap. You can choose one or multiple faces at the same time. Here, I'm only selecting the boss's face. Then, click the Start Face Swapping button. Wait for a moment. Unbelievable! The result is super cool. Isn't it amazing? Thank you for watching the video. Take care.